5G is not anymore paper. It's now getting realization. So some of very ambitious operators, they announced year 2018 or 2019, mostly 2020, we have a very commercialized 5G services.
And the intention of this workshop to give a snapshot on the current activities ongoing.
The one thing that I think the ITU-T does very well is they look at a problem from the top down. They can look at a problem and identify what the use cases are.
Softwareization, specifically here slicing and virtualization, as well as the important area of fixed mobile convergence and ICN for future implementations of future network structures.
The IoT has a lot of demanding requirement. It's a rather complex set of applications with different requirements, different business models, different actors, and all that has to be supported in perspective by a flexible and a powerful ICT infrastructure. So 5G is expected to be the infrastructure which will really deliver the promise of IoT.
Network management needs to be able to take a look at the network, create slices of the network, ensure isolation, ensure security, and ensure that you can build these systems so that you can have orchestrated pieces that drive the controller pieces that then feed into the thing that most people really care about, and that is how do you make money out of the network.
So at this moment we are supporting core networks, we are supporting media slices and IoT slices, and this addresses the most of the use cases that 5G is about, including factory automation, mobile broadband, agriculture, and then also citywide type of networks like smart cities and so on.
And one of the areas of collaboration that we have is something called the JCA IMT 2020, which is going to provide us with a place where people can contribute what work is going on in all of the different standards bodies that are in the ecosystem. And this is going to be very important because there are so many things going on and so many things that are layered on top of one another. We need to identify the places where people are working together, where people are overlapping, where there are gaps that need to be filled. And this is the technical coordination that we're going to need to do to move forward and move this forward in a way that gets us to 2019 and having a fully functional 5G infrastructure.
So we have to must strengthen this control and management capabilities of 5G. This is a key subject areas, how the ITU-T will continue our standard development. So 5G is not just anymore this telcos or operating of these networks. It's really the infrastructure for the future generations.